If necessary, remove all residues of old application by sanding the surface scratch-free. We recommend a final 80 or 100 grit. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some undiluted exterior wood cleaner and scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush in the lengthwise direction of the wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Tape off anything that should not be treated or splashed, including anything prone to overlap. Take the Duragrit and stir well. When using several containers at one site, it is recommended to mix them for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a bucket. For already heavily weathered wood or highly absorbent woods, you can also add 20% water. After adding, mix well. Now apply Duragrit in a saturated manner to the surface with the wood cream brush. Work in small sections about 1 or 2 boards wide. Work in the direction of the wood installation and always working the full length. So never stop in the middle of a board, but only stop at a natural break, such as stairs, edges. Once the product is spread out, smooth again with the same brush without applying new product to remove any brush marks and to avoid start or stop marks. Remember not to apply too much pressure on the brush. Always try to maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. If you have a deck where the boards are installed wide apart, do the edges along both sides first and only then the top. For a more ergonomic position while applying, you can also use ANZA's Terrace brush with extension pole. And if the distance between the boards is too narrow for the wood cream or ANZA brush, you can also use our standard brush 150. Let it dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after approximately 3 days, depending on the weather conditions. Only work in frost-free and dry weather conditions. Use exterior soap for the regular cleaning and nourishing of the terrace. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. You can clean dirt and green deposits with low-pressure water and a soft brush or exterior soap. If necessary, when you have colors that fade out, apply a maintenance coat according to the instructions.